What up? Kituko X in the building once again, man. Video back to back. Make sure y'all follow the channel. That means subscribe. Like, share, comment, all that shit. I'm about to head back out. I just popped the tag. I'm finna head out to the restaurant. It's a little late right now. It's a little late. I don't know what time it is, but it's a little late. It's about to get dark. I've been in working on that video about the power, so I'm finna upload it today. Tonight. So y'all make sure y'all go watch it. But yeah. But I'm finna upload it tonight, man. So y'all get ready for another banger. And I'm finna record today. This video here might be a short video. It might be a short video. But finna head back out there. Just got through raining. I had to wait on it to stop raining. But it done stopped now. I'm finna get up out here, man. So I'll holler at y'all, man. I'm out. All right, y'all. Headed back to the action spot. To the restaurant. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get there. Nigga hungry, man. Hungry. Just fine. Finna go to the restaurant. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. Tout à l'heure. I mean, just got through raining. Hope it don't rain on me. I got about 10 more minutes. Two pieces of chicken. Parked on the side of the road. We got the car parked on the side of the road. Got customers in. We got the generator running. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna keep coming. Y'all can see in there. I know they don't want me to record them, but y'all can see them. Y'all see them in there. They probably see me out here recording them, but it's all good. Coming up. Yeah. So we closing up, man. I wanted to go to the club. But y'all see it raining, man. It's raining. Y'all can't tell. It's raining now, man. I don't even think I'm going now. Shit, some of us don't want me to damn go. It's raining now. If I go to the club, I'm gonna get some more video. But if I don't, I'm gonna end this bit right here. I'm gonna end it right here if I don't go to the club. So y'all know what to do, man. Y'all know what to do. I might go. I might give y'all some footage, man. I might go though. I don't even know. But anyway, man, y'all know what to do. follow the channel, man, and like the video and shit, man. Turn your notifications on, just in case I go to the club tonight or somewhere. But I don't know. I'm out anyway.